A negative online reputation can cost you opportunities, clients, and peace of mind. Whether you're an individual or a business, repairing your digital image is possible, and often faster than you think. Today, we'll break down proven strategies for online reputation repair that work in today's digital world. Start by Googling yourself or your business. Look at top search results, Google images, social media profiles, review sites. Document any negative, outdated, or misleading information that needs addressing. Where possible, remove damaging content. Contact websites directly to request removal. Submit DMCA takedown notices if your content was stolen. Use Google's removal tools for personal or sensitive information. If removal isn't possible, use link suppression techniques. Create positive content that pushes negative links down the search rankings. Fresh, positive content reshapes how you and your brand appear online. Start a blog or personal website. Share success stories, customer testimonials, or media features. Regularly update professional social media profiles. Google loves fresh, high-authority content, and so do future employers, clients, and partners. For businesses, reputation repair often hinges on strong, legitimate reviews. Request feedback from happy clients or customers. Respond professionally to any negative reviews. Highlight positive testimonials on your website and social profiles. Reputation management is ongoing. Set up Google alerts for your name, brand, or business to track mentions and address issues quickly before they escalate. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in helping individuals and businesses remove harmful content, suppress negative search results, and build lasting positive reputations. Our customized strategies are discreet, fast, and effective. Your online reputation is one of your most valuable assets. Repairing it is possible, and investing in it today protects your opportunities tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Need urgent help repairing your online reputation? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to guide you every step of the way.